guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Poonam and I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle videos. Before going ahead with this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Today's video is all about Glamego subscription box for the month of February, and that is also the month of love as well. What I believe, throughout the year, it should be the year of love and not just the month of love. So yes, this is the box. This is how it came, and let's get started. Month, you get a lot of choice to select your favorite color and select your favorite outer box. Once you place the order, you will get an email from the Glamego team and you will get the option to choose your favorite outer box, and as well as you would able to get chance to select the products which you want in your box. So yes, this month I chose this box because I love feathers, and yeah, it is blue and it is super cool. I like the color of the box. This is how the box looks from inside. Okay, so you guys all know that this is the month of love. This is the Valentine's edition of the box, and as well as Glamego is India's #1 beauty box. You get all luxury products in one box at the cost of $3.99 per month. So all the details related to the box will be down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. This month's theme is love is love. Yes, it's Valentine's Day, guys, so yes, love is love. And the very first product which you get is Starstruck by Sunny Leone. I love Sunny Leone. I mean, her lip color, her everything looks absolutely stunning. So I love her. And yeah, this is the packaging of the lipstick. It is intense matte lip color, and you get the chance to choose your favorite color. So don't waste your time. Just go there and just order the box and get your favorite color of the lipstick. Which I chose is the Cherry Bomb because I'm a red lipstick addict. I have so many red lipstick, I can't tell you guys. So yes, I got this red one, which is Cherry Bomb. Let me show you the color. So the packaging is super classy and it's matte finished, and it reminds me of the Maybelline lipstick. I mean, yeah, this is how the packaging looks like. And yeah, so here's the color. It's red. It looks so good. So let me swatch it for you guys, and also I will put it on my lips. So that's the color. So the price of this lipstick is $7.99, which you get in the box. I mean, the box cost around $3.99, and hell yeah, the lipstick cost $7.99. So it is pretty handy, and yeah, steal deal, I would say. I love the lipstick formulation. It is slightly towards creamy matte, though it's say intense matte lip color, but I feel it's a little bit creamy. And yes, it's perfect. It's not drying. It will give good moisture to your lips, and my lips are super dry. So yeah, in that scenario, this lipstick is just bomb.com. The second product which I could choose, that was Bella Vostre new lip shades, exclusive in your Glamego box. So all the shades of Bella Vostre are all new collection, so you could pick the color you want. What I got is Love It. It is the shade name 14. So this is the lipstick. I love this color. So on one hand, I like bold lip colors. On the other hand, I like nude lip colors. So that's why I bought one red lipstick, and yes, of course, one nude pink, because I'm out of this shade of different brands, so I need to get my hands on this. I love lipstick, guys. What to say, I love lipsticks because it can dress you up, it can dress you down, so I really like it. So this is the lipstick, and I'll just swatch it for you guys. So here's the color. This one, it looks so good. So again, it is like, towards like, little bit moisturizing, and it's matte as well, but it's moisturizing matte, so your lips won't dry up and you will feel amazing. You could choose your favorite skincare as well. The third product is so I love BioBloom facial oil because I am using another one. That bottle is yet to finish, and yes, I need to refill it up, so I chose this one, this skincare BioBloom Beautifully Naturally Age Defining Radiance Booster. It's a face oil and it's superb, guys. At night I just take a little bit of this oil and just dab it on my face, and next morning when I wash my face, it feels super supple and super good. I love face oil and I can swear by it. It's 100% natural and you get 15 ml of the product. The last thing is the Acne Specialist Anti-Acne Soap, which is this one. Well, it is Japan's #1 skincare brand soap, and it is exclusively, you will get it on Glamigo. It is Japan's #1 anti-acne soap. Okay, so you can use this soap on your face, chest and back if you have acne around. So you can use this soap, guys. I don't have acne, God bless me. So if you want a video why I never got acne, then do let me know in the comment box below. I'll tell you why I never suffered from acne, touch wood. So that's the box, guys. That's how the box looks from inside. Everything is empty, and you get two cards, like, one is the information card and the second one is a contest card. This month Glamigo is also conducting a contest like every month. So you get a chance to win complete shades of Starstruck lipstick by just tagging your photo with Glamigo box and Starstruck lipstick in your social page. So I would suggest, like, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you want to, you can post. You just slam the picture and you just tag them. That will be great. So yes, guys, that's my unboxing video. I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post videos on my channel. And yes, guys, love you so much. Take care and bye-bye.